I thank you, the delegate of Paraguay, and I now give the floor to the video presentation from the delegate of Greece, to be followed by Seychelles.
Thank you, Chair. It is a great joy to have the opportunity to address the 75th World Health Assembly in person. In these dark times that our region is going through, due to the pandemic and the ongoing war in Ukraine, we need to remain united and strong. As our Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis stressed, we need to protect the values which lay out the foundations of our liberal democracies. The ongoing war in Ukraine and the pandemic put mental health and physical health on the same level and showed that mental health is an essential component to respond to such a crisis. The pandemic has already provided us with valuable lessons. Mental health systems in our region have been underfunded for years and have not provided equal access to everyone. To this end, it is essential to increase funding and make wise use of the available financial tools to create adequately funded, modern mental health services in the community. In this collective effort, we must not leave behind the less fortunate countries and the ones financially affected by the pandemic. Emphasis should be given on the vulnerable groups, such as the elderly, people that suffer from addictions, and of course our youth that suffered the most during the pandemic. In Greece, focusing on quality of care and patient safety, and especially our children, we recently inaugurated the WHO Athens Quality of Care Office and launched the new WHO European Programme on Quality of Mental Health Services for Children and Adolescents. This program will support innovation in the quality of care in the field. Another lesson we learned from the pandemic is that we need to develop new services to support persons with psychological distress and mental illnesses. It is essential, therefore, to collect valid data and adapt to a new era of digital provision of care, increasing availability of digital mental health services. In Greece, we also develop a telepsychiatry network across the country, especially for inhabitants of remote areas. Also, through the creation of a network of mobile units, we flexibly serve inhabitants of remote areas such as islands. The pandemic stressed the need to form strong national and international collaborations built on solidarity. To this direction, in Greece, we convened the Athens Summit in July 2021 in collaboration with WHO Europe that led to the Athens Mental Health Declaration, a stepping stone for the adoption of the European Framework of Action for Mental Health 2025 and the launch of the WHO Pan-European Mental Health Coalition. As Regional Director Europe, Dr. Hans Kluge pointed out, the health of all people is fundamental to the attainment of peace and security and is dependent upon the fullest cooperation of individuals and states. Thank you, Chair.
I thank the delegate of Greece.